Today I'm going to be showing you how to grayscale an image in 3 easy steps in Gimp. So let's get going. So grayscaling an image is a simple step, but sometimes it can be really hard to get the message right. So in this video I'm going to be showing you 3 ways. So the first one is this image we're gonna use. Pretty sure I'll have links in description for it, but first the thing we're gonna use is color saturation. So saturation is like when you go to hue saturation, the saturation is how much value the color would be. So we can use that to grayscale an image. Go to colors, saturation, turn the scale all the way to 0. And this is something we've done before in the how to grayscale an image, how to grayscale the background of an image. This is the first step and we'll get on the next step now. And the next way is to set the image mode to grayscale. So this is the simplest way to do grayscaling. Go to image, mode, grayscale. And the whole image turns black and white with gray. Now you can only do this with the whole image. You can't separate it with one layer. I'll just show you in a bit. You can see this is a simple isolation I did. You can see I didn't go too much with the hair. There are some hairs missing. I just want to give you a preview of what I mean. So if we now go to image, mode, grayscale, then the whole image turns grayscale. Even if we isolate it, and we can't saturate that. See, color balance, color temperature, hue saturation and saturation are turned off because the image mode is in grayscale. If it is in RGB, then the colors should work. So we'll get on the third step next. Desaturate the color of an image. So while we talk about saturation here and hue saturation, and you can also turn the saturation off. And you can see I've isolated the cat. I want something to show you guys. Now, saturation is the color of an image. Like if we saturate it too much, you can see it glows. And now if we go to colors, desaturate, then it also hides everything. And you can change modes like luma or lightness, HSL, then average is HSI intensity, value HSV. But luminous is the most darker version, so I like to keep it that way. And you can see luminous does this. It doesn't turn the whole image black and white, grayscale. And a lot of cool stuff in desaturate, like color to gray. It will also color gray only with more data. Like if you go to samples on 30, it's gonna take a moment, so see afterwards. You can see what happened. So these are most of the 3 ways to grayscale an image. There are a lot of cool stuff in here in Desaturate, and there are also other ways you can grayscale an image in Monomixer, I guess. And Monomixer actually handles channels. This is the red channel. This is the green channel. This is the blue channel. And a lot of cool stuff to do. But that will be all for today's tutorial, and I'll see you next Friday.